hundreds of people are affected by homophobia every day. These negative feelings towards homosexuals are fueled by stereotypes in the media and surrounding views, which can lead to strong discriminations and violence. It's said that 19.3% of hate crimes are motivated by sexual orientation bias. 38% of young people have been affected by cyberbullying, and a staggering 55% of lesbian, gay and bisexual young people have experienced homophobic bullying at school. Let's find out what the students think. The real question is, are you born gay and have no choice, or is it something that develops over time? The Nurture concept explores the possibility of a specific gene present at birth that genetically exposes people to homosexuality. In other words, some people are born gay. However, the Nurture concept argues that people are not born gay. A person is nurtured to be gay by influences and upbringing, therefore they have a choice. In some parts of the world, like Africa, it's against the law to be gay, and you can be sentenced for 12 years imprisonment and even death.